Prime Minister Andrew Holness has declared that the National Housing Trust, NHT, will be reshaping in order to address the number of informal settlements across the island. He was speaking at Friday's handing over ceremony of the Estuary Housing Scheme in Friendship, St. James.
At the end of the day, the only way to prevent and genuinely enforce on someone who decides that, boy, me want a house, and the market not provided me a house, so I'm going to go and find a piece of land and put up something. The only way to solve that is when you have your housing market working in such a way that it is providing housing solutions to meet all the demand price points in the market in a timely and efficient manner.
The Prime Minister says the review has been completed and a report has been presented to him, which will be reviewed at the next Cabinet meeting, after which the findings will be debated in Parliament.
When you drive through Jamaica, you see so many unplanned communities. It makes the place look chaka-chaka. People don't want to live in chaka-chaka circumstances. But our systems have not been so well developed to support a formal process of home ownership.